Diving into Litecoin, so you guys can see we got a really nice bounce off of our black box, which is the 382 from the low to the high. However, you can see that sellers are starting to step in on the smaller time frame. So if we take a fib from this high to the low, you can see that it looks like the 618 is acting as resistance right now, which is normally what happens. So ideally, what we would see is probably a little pullback, maybe to $81, and then continuation to the upside. If that's exactly what happens, that is extremely bullish for Litecoin. In the short term, if it does end up falling below $81, then you're going to see sellers come in again and push it back down. And then obviously in the big picture, as we keep saying over and over again, Litecoin needs to maintain this $70 to $75 range because that is the bull argument from this low to the high. That's pretty much your bull argument in general. You can see it's still making higher lows as well. 382. At any time, if Litecoin falls below $70, the top is in, and that's all she wrote for the halving rally. But as of now, it looks good. Whether or not there's a short-term pullback, I think is irrelevant. However, if there is $81 is that price to watch. Any lower than $81, and it is actually bearish. In the event that it's just a little pullback to 84, the next resistance is 91. So the macro resistance to break here, you guys can see, is about 105. At any time, once Litecoin gets through 105, you should begin your ascent up to about 126. But let's keep an eye on this 87 bucks. That's your short-term resistance. That's pretty much it. As always, none of this is financial advice.